Hi guys, I needed somewhere to keep my helmet on my Royal Enfield Scram here. I didn't want to carry around any bulky locks or chains, so I came up with this. It's the Crook Hook, and I'll show you how it works. Unlock your seat, lift it up, get your Crook Hook and snap it in there. Get your helmet and put the D shackles over the hook like so. Tuck the hook in, put the seat back in place, and it's fully secure. When you're ready, undo the seat, pull it out, just rest there nicely on the side until you're ready to pick it up, and away you go. You can keep the hook in place and just tuck it into the side like that, or if you like, you can tuck it all the way in and keep it securely under your seat when you're not using it. I hope you find that helpful. I hope it works for you. Cheers.